Yo, what is up, everybody? As Crypto 101 coming at you guys with another video today, and I'm going to show you guys the 5 platforms I use to make over $500 a day in passive incomes. Now, this is going to be a combination of nodes and various smart contract platforms that allow you to earn daily percentage every single day, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that to earn over $500 a day. Now, make sure you stop what you're doing right now. Make sure that you hit comment. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the notification button so you know as soon as I release these videos. We are about 10 subscribers away from 2,000. So any help that you guys can provide, and I just appreciate all the help that you guys have provided to help me get to this point. So salute to you guys. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. I have done a video on all of these projects individually, so definitely check out my channel if you want a more in-depth review of these, but this is going to be more so showing you exactly how I go in here, how I make the money, and how I make these gains on a daily basis. So first we have Angel Nodes, which is it's a node project by the Nemesis team. So what I do here is all you have to do is come in here and you use the Angel token to buy nodes. So you would buy the Angel token, which is currently $4.72. There are currently 11,664 total nodes that have been created, and they're sitting at a market cap of 1.8 million. So as you can see here, I have 5 different nodes and I have 18 Angel that I have collected over time. So all you have to do is come here, have Angel in your wallet, and then you're able to buy these 3 different nodes. So the Angel node here is going to be 23 Angel. The Dark Angel is going to be 66 Angel. And then the Archangel is going to be 111 Angel. So this tells you the different payouts that they have. So you have 0.66 here, 0.36 here, and then 0.11 here. So what you would do is you would use the Angel in your wallet to be able to create one of these nodes. And then from there, as you can see, I have a couple nodes here. You will start earning your Angel on a daily basis. So this is a Nemesis level node. So this means that I've been able to upgrade this one. So you're also able to upgrade your nodes for free. What it does is it puts it on a timer. As you can see here, I am upgrading this Angel node to the Dark Angel node, and it's going to take a total of 60 plus days. So I believe it's 66 days in total. As you can see, we are down to 47 days, and then once this is completed, this will be a Dark Angel node. So super cool that they allow you to upgrade your nodes for free. All it takes is a certain amount of time period for you not to be able to earn rewards. So I do not get any rewards off this one, but I do get rewards off of this. And then another great thing with the most upgraded node here, which is the Nemesis node, you're able to use booster codes. So if people use your booster code, which you have 3, as you can see here, then you also get an additional 0.111 Angel for each of those boosters. So that is why I'm able to earn 1.33 Angel every single day, which comes out to currently right around $6.70. So what you would do is you would come here. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and claim all, and then this is going to reset the timer on these nodes, and then it is going to make me wait 24 hours before I am able to claim from these nodes again. So you see currently I have 18.66 Angel, and then once this queues up and actually processes the transaction, this is going to go through, add that Angel to my balance. As you can see here, we have 20 even, and now we have $94 worth of Angels. So just one way that we are making daily passive income over here on the Angel node. All right, second, we're moving over to more so our smart contracts and the ones that I use to earn daily percentages every single day. So there's 4 platforms I use, and they range from earning 1 to 3% a day. So let's get into the first one here. So this is Drip. If you have not heard about Drip, definitely look it up. A great platform in which you can earn 1% on your deposits up to 365%, and you also have the power to compound this. So I've been in this for about a year now. It's been a great passive income platform for me. As you can see, I have 1.5 or 1,500 drip deposit into the faucet, and that is right now at $58,000 based on the current price of drip being $38. So super cool there. And I mean, I'm making great passive income on this. I'm making right around $480 after taxes, because there is a 10% tax to take this out of the faucet. So as you can see here, I have the available balance, which is what I accrue on a daily basis. So I earned 1% of this every single day, which is 15 drip. But if I were to actually claim it, then I'm going to have to pay a 10% tax. And if I compound it, I also do have to pay, I believe, a 5% tax. So super cool here. I've been able to build out a really good team here. So shout out to everybody that's on the Bag Builder Squad. Salute to you guys. And I'm going to show you guys what you also can do with this one. So as you see, I have the 10 drip that's available here. All you would have to do is come here and claim that, or you can compound it. And then if you compounded it, it is going to add that 10 here to your deposits. So I would then have 1,540 drip into my faucet, and then I would start earning 1% a day off of that. Now, key here is to make sure that your claim does not hit your max payout, because once you do hit max payout, you will no longer be able to withdraw from the system. So one of the things I really do enjoy about this platform is the fact that you can do airdrops to your team. So if you guys have not checked out my videos about my drip team, I'm very generous when it comes to the airdrops. And today we're actually airdropping everybody on my team who has decided to, build out their own team. So what I would do is I would come here to the airdrop section, put in my address, divide this between all matching players. This week, it is for anybody that has at least one person on their team. So we're doing one minimum direct, and then the team depth is 1, have just 1 drip deposited, and then we send out 10 drip every single week to the team. So if you do want to join the team, feel free. I am going to have my buddy address in the description below. All you have to do is take my wallet address or my buddy address, put it here in the Get a Buddy section, hit update, and then you are now on the team. And all you have to do is deposit 1 drip for your account to become active. So super cool way, just to reward the team here. As you can see, I have 10 people who are eligible for the airdrop today. So I'll be sending 1 drip to everybody on the team for building out their own team. So super cool platform here. This is definitely the money maker for me. I'm making over $450 a day from this platform, and this thing is just getting started. Third, we're hopping over here to the animal farm, and we are going to be talking about the drip BUSD garden. So what this is another smart contract which allows you to earn a daily percentage on your investment. So with this one, you are depositing drip and BUSD LP tokens. So what you do is you take drip, you pair it with BUSD, and then at that point you're able to deposit it into this system. So this earns 3% a day, and this has been a great one for me so far. As you can see, I've been able to grow 1,700 plus plants, which is right now valued around $1,100. Now, the price of the plants is going to fluctuate, because this is dependent on drip as well, as it is LP pair. So as the price of drip goes down, the value of your plants will go down, but as the price of drip goes up, the value of your plants will go up as well. Now, as you can see here, I've been able to grow this out. I am earning right around, I believe, $36 a day from this platform. As you can see, I have $1,100 deposited right here in terms of my plants. But as I said, as the price of drip goes up, this thing is definitely going to take off as well. So definitely a higher risk play here. So if you've been in any of the miners, BNB miners, baked bean miners, those different things, which really all you have to do is either compound or claim. And if you claim, your percentage is going to be a little bit lower than those who decide to compound. So definitely make sure you have a good strategy if you want to get into something like this. This is definitely the most high risk out of all the platforms that we're talking about today. But as you can see, this is a great way that I'm also making $30+ from this platform. And with my strategy with this one personally is I have been compounding this thing for weeks, because I really want to make sure that I'm building this out as heavy as I can until the price of drip goes back up to around $100, $150 to where it should be. And then I will start actually looking at being able to claim this. But for now on, I am making sure I hit the compound button more than the claim button, and we're making $30+ a day from the drip garden. Now we're moving over here to my diamond team V2. Now what this is once again another smart contract that allows you to earn a daily percentage on your investments every single day. So with this one, I do not have a lot deposited into this one. So initially I put in right around 0.5 BNB, I would say maybe 2 weeks ago. And what this one does is it allows you to earn 1.5% of your deposits every single day, up to 365%. So as you can see, my max payout here would be $1,000 right now, but this is my deposits here with 0.69 BNB. And what I've done with this one as well is I have not claimed at all. What I've done is every time that I have anything in the unwithdrawn section here, which is going to be where your daily dividend accumulates, I come here, I hit reinvest, and what that does is it adds this BNB amount to your deposits, and we'll see that work fully. Now, the thing that I really do like about this one is the fact that you are getting paid out in BNB. The other platforms that we talk about today, you're getting paid out in their token that they have created, not BNB. We know that BNB is going to have value. We know that BNB is going to go up. So this is always going to allow you to have a little bit more security versus earning, drip token or piston token and things like that. So another really cool thing is that they allow you to reinvest and give you a 5% bonus for doing that. Now, this is another platform in which I do have a team. I am going to put my address down in the description below for this platform. Feel free to join the team. Like I said, I haven't been able to do any kind of airdrops yet, but I definitely plan on doing that. Once I'm able to build up a bigger bag here, I will definitely be doing airdrops. I'm super generous with airdrops. I love giving out money anyways. So definitely feel free to join the team, put in a little BNB, and start earning 1.5% every single day. All right, last but not least, we have the Piston Race here, which is another daily passive income platform which you're able to earn 1% a day until 365% of your investment is reached. So very similar to Drip in a way, but they have a few different mechanics. As you can see here, I have a little bit of a team. We are the Bugatti Bag Builders Brigade, so feel free to hop on the team there. I'm going to be doing different airdrops. All you have to do is use my buddy address, put it in here, and then hop on the team and let's get to racing. So you can see I'm earning 1% of $660 right now, so right around $6. You have the ability to compound this with the nitro button, and this is what I'm earning every single day. This is where my 1% goes. So you're also able to claim. And one cool thing about this one to allow more sustainability, they have it where you can only 5 times your deposits. So with Drip, you're able to compound to infinity, but here they make it where you have to put in fresh capital if you want to compound past a 5x. So definitely keep that in mind. I think that is great. It allows it to be sustainable, and you can't just come here compound to like a million piston. So super cool they have that. And then another cool thing is that they actually utilize the same token that you would deposit into the gas tank as the token to use for referral rewards and team building. So a few other platforms use 2 different tokens. This one only uses 1. So as you can see here, definitely build out your team if you are somebody who wants to do that. Feel free to use my address here. It's going to be in the description below to join the team. So let's hop on here, guys. Let's get the race started. Make sure that you guys comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification button if you found that this video was useful. If you did not find out that it was useful, please do the same thing. I appreciate all the support that you guys have been showing. We are very close to 2,000 subscribers, only 10 away. So there's a handful of people away from 2K. So I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure that you guys also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at scrypto101, where there'll be a lot of great content that doesn't always make it to the video. Now, I've shown you guys 5 great platforms that you can use to gain passive income on a daily basis. So it is now in your court. The ball is in your court to use these tools to build your bag.